This case study shows how EV's Optis Infinity camera technology and LeakVA visual analytics service assisted an operator to restore production to their gas well by locating and evaluating a downhole leak. During the platform's maintenance shutdown period, the operator observed a significant increase in A annulus pressure, prompting the operator to defer production until the root cause of the pressure buildup could be identified. To diagnose the unexpected pressure increase and evaluate wellbore integrity, the operator opted to run both a multi-finger caliper and a noise tool. The multi-finger caliper showed no defects of the tubing wall, whereas the noise tool detected a potential leak just below the tubing head. However, the severity of the anomaly was still unknown. To confirm the presence of the leak, EV's Optis Infinity M125 camera was deployed on slickline to capture a comprehensive 360-degree view of the tubing and downhole jewelry. EV's LeakVA service was then utilized to precisely assess the leak's characteristics, dispelling any uncertainties. The detailed images captured by the multi-camera side views of the Optis Infinity immediately identified two breaches of the tubing wall. One breach was located at 113 feet and was not previously diagnosed by either the multi-finger caliper or the noise tool. The other breach was seen at 92 feet, the depth of the anomaly identified by the noise tool. With the precise dimensioning from EV's LeakVA service and 360-degree borehole coverage from the Optis Infinity camera, the operator was able to pinpoint and quantify the extent of the tubing damage for the operator, enabling them to select the most appropriate remedial action. Armed with this information, the operator opted to install a pack-off straddle over the damaged area, isolating the leak points and regaining the integrity of the well. With EV's LeakVA and Optis Infinity technology, the operator was able to restore production to its optimum level, avoiding serious safety risks and substantially reducing operating time and cost. Contact your local EV representative to find out more.